நல்ல கிளியராகவும் இருக்கும் சார் மற்றதோடையும் பாஸ் பண்ணணும்னா ஓகே. Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. So in our last class we have started inverse trigonometric functions. So we have completed up to example 4.26. Let's continue from example 4.27. So last day one homework I have given. I hope you all of you completed. Please check out the answers. So example 4.27. The question is solve tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Question is solve tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Okay, so we know the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Here this value is x, this value is y. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula we are going to apply. So last class I have taught the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So we are going to use that formula here. So if you need, you can write the formula again. So I am writing the formula first. That is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So here we will consider this as x and this as y. Okay, so tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to, this is a formula. So we are going to apply in the place of x this value, in the place of y this value. So just apply, that's equal to tan inverse of x the value is x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So divided by 1 minus x into y. So x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, so this one we are going to simplify. So that's equal to tan inverse, you can keep it outside and simplify whatever is inside the bracket. So numerator, the denominator LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2. So it will be x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2. So divided by denominator also, if you are multiplying x minus 2 into x plus 2, so it's an LCM. So we will get 1 will be changes x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this denominator and this one will get cancelled. So what's the balance? Tan inverse of x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. So we are going to simplify this. That's equal to tan inverse of x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. Then plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Do it very carefully. Divided by this one, if you are simplifying x square minus 2 square you will get, that is a plus b into a minus b. So totally we will write x square a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means 4. Then minus of again a square in a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So you will get x square minus 1. So simplify. When you are simplifying, I am going to simplify here. So simplifying time, we will get tan inverse of the numerator x square plus x square. So totally 2x square. All the x square term, before that x term you can cancel. 2x minus 2x minus x plus 2x. So minus 2 means you will get totally minus 4 divided by denominator x square and minus x square, it will get cancelled. Minus into minus, it will change as plus. So minus 4 plus 1 means you will get as 3, minus 3. So this is a balance, that is tan inverse of 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3. So it is given tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. It is given in the question. Okay, so the value is equal to pi by 4. Now this value will be simplified as 1. So take it as 1. So equation 1 implies this value, so you can write it as tan inverse of 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 equal to how much? Pi by 4. Is it right? So pi by 4 means tan pi by 4, you can bring it here. So we will get 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 is equal to tan inverse will come this side. So tan of pi by 4. What's the value for tan pi by 4? That is tan pi by 4, the 45 degree. So 45 degree, what's the value? Tan 45 degree, the value is 1. So 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3. If you need, you can write it. That is pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree is equal to 1. So cross it. So 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So 2x square is equal to how much? 1. So x square is equal to how much you will get? 1 by 2. So from that, if you need the x value, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. This is the value. Understand, students? Okay, let's repeat. That is tan inverse of x in plus tan inverse of y formula we will apply and simplify both numerator and denominator. We got one value, but in your question itself they gave it's pi by 4. So equate both the answers and from that find out the x value. Okay, so x is equal to plus or minus 2. Have you all understand? Okay, let's move to the next example. 4.28. Simplify sine inverse of 1 by 3 plus sine inverse of 2 by 3. So here we are going to use the formula related to sine. That is sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y. You have learned the formula. That is property number 6. So sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y formula. First you write down the formula. We know sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square plus y into square root of 1 minus x square. So we are going to use this formula here. So what is your question? Sine inverse of 1 by 3 plus sine inverse of 2 by 3. Is it right? So it is sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y. So that is equal to sine inverse of, apply in the formula, sine inverse of x into. So x, the value is 1 by 3 square root of 1 minus 2 by 3 the whole square. Plus y, the value is 2 by 3 into square root of 1 minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Okay, so that's equal to sine inverse, you can keep it outside and simplify. 1 by 3 into square root of 1 minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 into square root of 1 minus 1 by 9. That's equal to sine inverse of 1 by 3 square root of 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 means 5 by 9 plus 2 by 3 into square root of 9 minus 1. So it is 8 by 9. So that is equal to sine inverse of. So we can write it as 1 by 3. This root 9, if you are bringing outside, it will change as 3. So into root 5 plus 2 by 3 into root 8. The 3, 9, when you are taking outside of square root, it will change as 3. So that's equal to sine inverse of 1 by 9 into root 5 plus 2 by 9 into root 8. Okay. So that's equal to sine inverse of, this is common for both, it's the LCM, that is root 5 plus 2 into this root 8 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 root 2 we will write. So how we will write the answer? Sine inverse of root 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by 9. This is the required answer. Understand? So I will repeat. That is sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y is equal to, this is a formula. So sine inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square plus 2 by 3 into square root of 1 minus x square. Simplify. Here 9 is inside the square root. So when you are bringing outside, it will change as 3. So here it is 9 is inside the square root. So when you are bringing outside, it will be 3. So there is, both are common. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 you can keep it as common LCM and add both the numerator. This here square root of 8 can be changed as 2 into 2 into 2. So we will write as 2 root. Okay, so 2 root 2. So 2 2s are 4. Understand? So this is all. Let's move to next question. 4.29. Solve tan inverse of x plus 2 plus tan inverse of 2 minus x is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Okay. Solution. So we are going to use the formula here again, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What's the formula? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, we are going to use this formula. So tan inverse of x plus 2 plus 2 minus x divided by 1 minus x plus 2 into 2 minus x, okay, is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. So that is tan inverse of x plus 4 minus x divided by 1 minus, simplify, x into 2, that is 2x minus x square plus 4 minus 2x is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. So that is tan inverse of x and x get cancelled, 4 divided by, again this and this will get cancelled, so 1 minus will be meant to multiply, so 1 plus x square minus 4. So you will get as is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. So that is equal to tan inverse of 4 by x square minus 3 equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. So tan will get cancelled. So 4 by x square minus 3 equal to 2 by 3. So here also you can cancel 2. So cross it, 6 is equal to x square minus 3. So 6 plus 3 equal to x square. So 9 is equal to x square. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Understand? So just I applied the formula and I have simplified. Tan inverse both will get cancelled. Just to cross multiply. If you can't able to cancel like this, you just cross multiply and find out the x value. Okay. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Understand? Okay. So let's move to the next example. So I think it's the last example in this unit. If tan x plus y is equal to 42 and x is equal to tan inverse of 2, then find y. Tan of x plus y equal to 42 and x is equal to tan inverse of 2, then find y. Solution. Tan x plus y is equal to how much? 42. Okay. So x plus y is equal to, bring this tan to this side. So we get tan inverse of 42. Okay. So tan inverse of 2. This x, in the place of x you need to apply x is equal to tan inverse of 2. It's given in the question. So in the place of x you apply this tan inverse of 2. So tan inverse of 2 plus y is equal to tan inverse of 42. So y is equal to tan inverse of 42 minus tan inverse of 2. So that's equal to tan inverse of x minus y formula. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y formula. What's the formula? Tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. So we are going to apply this formula here. That is 42 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 42 into 2. Okay. So that is equal to tan inverse of 42 minus 2 means 40 divided by 1 plus 42 into 2 means 84. So 1 plus 84. So that's equal to tan inverse of 40 divided by 85. So y is equal to tan inverse of, if you can cancel by using fifth table. 40 means 8, 1 7. So 8 by 70. So the answer is 8 by 70. Okay. So that's all. So just tan of x plus y is equal to 42. X plus y is equal to tan inverse of. So apply the x value that is given in the question. You need to apply here. Afterwards find out the y value. Understand, students? Okay. So in our last class I gave first problem as your homework. So today first you take down the homework. So your homework is exercise 4.4, second Roman, second problem, and third problem is your homework. So today your homework is exercise 4.4. First problem already you have completed. Second Roman, first problem I will do for you. Second Roman, second problem is your homework, and third problem also is your homework. So remaining we will do in second. Okay? Now we'll start the exercise 4.4. Second Roman, first problem. Prove that 2 tan inverse. So first part I am doing, second part you need to do. Equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x cap. So read the question. Prove that 2 into tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x cap. Okay. So second part you need to do by using tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Okay. Solution. We are going to consider tan inverse of x as theta. So from that x means what's the value you will get? X equal to tan theta. So already you know sine 2 theta, what's the formula? We know already by using the formula. Sine 2 theta is equal to what's the formula? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. You have it out. Why ma'am? You are applying this formula. Isn't it, students? Here it is in the question. It is connecting both tan and sine. But we need to change the sine values everything as tan. Then only we can apply the value. Okay. So because of that, whatever the formula connecting that sine and tan we are using. So here 2 into tan theta. So here 2 theta is equal to, bring the sine to this side. So sine inverse of. Okay. So before that, in the place of theta, tan theta, it is x, is it right? So 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So here 2 theta is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So next step, what do you do? 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. That's all. This is answer. Listen here. Sine 2 theta, this is a formula. X is equal to tan theta. From here we have found out. This x in the place of tan theta, you apply the as x. So sine 2 theta, the sine 2 theta is equal to this value. So from that 2 theta equal to sine inverse of this one. So 2 into, in the place of theta, what do you need to apply? Theta is equal to, if you need, you can write it here. That is, since theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, so in the place of theta, you can apply this value. This is answer. Understand, students? Okay, I hope you got good idea. It's very easy. So second part is your homework. Okay. Then fourth problem also I gave the homework for you. So you need to do. Already we have completed an example. Sorry, third problem is your homework. You need to do. Okay. So now we will do fourth problem. Solve tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4. So here also we are going to use the same formula. Solution, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y. Not I am going to write the formula it again. So directly we will apply. That is what's the formula? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. We are going to apply this. That is x plus y. That is 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x. The value is given as pi by 4. Okay. So that is tan inverse of, add it, 5x divided by 1 minus 2 into 3 is 6x. That is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So afterwards, already we have completed the same model. So 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square. So you bring this tan inverse to this side, that's equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, what's the value? 1, is it right? So 1 minus 6x square is equal to 1. From this find out the value, that is 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. Bring this to here, 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Factorize minus 6, it is 5. So what are the factors? 3 and 2 both also. Both also plus, is it right? So here it is plus, there also plus. So 3 and it is minus, is it right? So wait, 6x square plus 5x minus 1. So find out the factors. Minus 6, 5. What are the values? 1 and 6. So it is minus, correct? Minus 6, 5. Okay. 6x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 6x is common, so x plus 1 you will get, minus 1 is common, x plus 1 we will get is equal to 0. So 6x minus 1 is 1 factor, x plus 1 is 1 factor equal to 0. So what's the x value? 6x is equal to 1, from that x is equal to 1 by 6. Then x plus 1 is equal to 0, from this x is equal to minus 1. So minus value to be not possible, correct? Minus value to be not possible. So what's the x value? X is equal to 1 by 6. Understand, students? That's all. Okay, one more problem we will do it today. So problem number 5. Solve tan inverse of x plus 1 plus tan inverse of x minus 1 is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 7. So what's the formula we will use here? Tan inverse of x plus y. I am not writing the formula, directly we will apply x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 7. It is given. So that is tan inverse. So this will get cancelled. 2x divided by 1 minus, simplify, x square minus x plus x minus 1 is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 7. So that is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square plus 1. Okay. So how much you will need? Equal to tan inverse of 4 by 7. So both tan inverse also you will get cancelled. So balance is 2x divided by 2 minus x square is equal to 4 by 7. Cross multiply, 14x is equal to 4 into 2 minus x square. So 14x is equal to 8 minus 4x square. So 14x plus 4x square minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So if you simplify, divide by 2, then it will be very easy for you. So 2x square plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. So multiplying time minus 8, it is 7. So 1 and 8. So what are the factors? 2x square minus x minus 8x minus 4 is equal to 0. So how much you will get? X. So 2x minus 1 and minus 4. So 2x minus 2 equal to 0. So what are the factors? X minus 4 is 1 factor. 2x minus 1 is 1 factor. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Both also. So x is equal to plus 4, correct? Okay, plus 4. So it is not possible. It is x is equal to minus 4. It's not possible. Not possible. So what's the only required answer? X is equal to 1 by 2. Understand, students? Okay, I hope you all got good idea. So we have completed 5 problems. I gave 2 homeworks for you. Before the next class, please try to complete it. If you have any doubt, you can clarify in the interaction section. Be safe, students. Don't omit anything. Please learn everyday portion. So in this unit, moreover, up to problem number 5 we have completed. So here 5 more problems are left in this section. That is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is the 6, 8 problem is very, very important. So in our next class, we will try to complete this chapter and we will start the next new chapter. Before that, please complete it. Before going to learn this inverse trigonometric functions, please students, all of you learn all the formulas also. Okay students, be safe.